Shopify Payments Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to this review of Shopify Payments for dropshipping. Links to the tools and resources mentioned are in the description, so be sure to check them out after watching. Let's dive straight into the details. Shopify Payments is Shopify's built-in payment gateway designed to simplify payment processing for e-commerce businesses, including dropshippers. It eliminates the need to integrate third-party payment providers, allowing you to manage transactions directly within your Shopify dashboard. This solution is perfect for dropshipping entrepreneurs looking for a seamless and secure way to handle payments without added complexity. Features: 1. Direct integration. Shopify Payments comes pre-integrated, so there's no need for additional setup with third-party payment gateways. 2. Multi-currency support. Sell in different currencies and provide a localized experience for your global customers. 3. Fraud analysis. Built-in fraud detection tools help you monitor potentially risky transactions and reduce chargeback risks. 4. Payout tracking. Easily track payouts and manage cash flow directly from your Shopify dashboard. 5. Payment options. Accept major credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Shop Pay, providing customers with multiple payment options. Strengths: ease of use. Shopify Payments is incredibly simple to set up and use, making it perfect for beginners and experienced sellers alike. Lower transaction fees. By using Shopify Payments, you avoid additional transaction fees typically charged when using third-party gateways. Seamless management. Manage all payment-related tasks directly from your Shopify admin, simplifying your workflow. Customer Trust Shop Pay, one of the supported payment methods, is a fast and trusted checkout option that can boost conversions. Integrated fraud prevention. The built-in fraud analysis tools provide peace of mind when dealing with high-risk orders. Weaknesses: limited availability. Shopify Payments isn't available in all countries, so you'll need to check if your region is supported. Account holds. Like any payment processor, Shopify Payments may hold funds for high-risk transactions or sudden spikes in sales, which could impact cash flow. Payout delays. Payouts typically take a few days to process, which may be inconvenient for businesses requiring faster access to funds. Chargeback fees. While fraud detection tools are helpful, chargeback fees can still apply, which may impact your profits if disputes occur. In conclusion, Shopify Payments is an excellent choice for dropshipping businesses looking for a streamlined and secure payment solution. While its availability and potential payout delays can be limitations, the ease of use, cost savings, and integrated features make it a highly efficient tool for managing payments and improving the customer experience.